here's a project we took on that a homeowner started, and his move-in date was fast approaching. He only had 4 days to complete this, and he only had these 4 bedrooms taped. So we were asked to come in and finish all the mud work and paint these 4 rooms so that their family would have a place to sleep. And we were able to do that. So we did a really great job. My crew for taping is really professional, and they really know what they're doing. And they came in, and they were actually a day early finishing. So this is the last day before he moved in. He's got the electrician coming in. The electrician's there doing all the plugs, and we managed to get all the colors that they specified into the rooms, and their move-in went smooth, and he was able to get everything cleaned up before they moved in. Flying Colors Painting to the rescue, and that's how we roll.